Welcome to the Google Account Export Procedures demo training video on how to archive and download your RIS Google Drive. Before we get started, you want to make sure that you are logged into your school Google account, and then you'll want to navigate to Google Takeout. Let's get started. To do this, you simply come up to your image or icon for the Google account, and you select the account link here. This takes you to the account landing page for your school account, and you'll look for personal info and privacy. Scroll down and you'll notice to control your account link. So go ahead and click that, and here you'll be taken to a page where it says control your content. And at this point you want to find the create archive link and click the create archive link. This is going to take you to the Google Takeout main page. Now, this new service of Google over the last year or two has been adding different applications from our Google Apps suite that you can export your data from. As you can see, all of them by default are checked. Make sure that to begin with, to make it easier on you, you only select the ones that you want. So in this case, we're going to hit select none first, and then you're going to scroll down and you can choose to turn on Google Drive. Now, once you've added the Google Drive to one of the services you'd like to use as a takeout, select the drop-down arrow here, and you're going to notice that you have several different options available to you. In this case, you should have already managed your Google Drive and organized everything that you'd like to keep into some sort of download folder. So in this case, we don't want to download all the files and folders in the drive. We only want to download the ones we want to select. The top level folders in your Google Drive will determine the view that you see in this box here. Hit select none, and then go ahead and select the folder or folders that you've organized before this to download and export your files. So in this case, I'll select my download folder, and I hit and click done. Now, this takes me back to the original screen of Google Takeout, and you'll see that all the services I could click and choose all at one time if I want. In this case, I will go ahead and just archive or export Drive. So I'll scroll down to the very bottom here and click Next. Once I've selected Next, you'll notice that I can adjust the download formats. So I can click on zip, I can change this zip as the standard, so I'll keep it there. And I can also say send download link via email or add to drive. Send download link via email is the most standard, and since you're leaving Drive, you don't want to download it to a drive. So let's go ahead and click Create Archive. Now, it'll take some time to create your archive here. Now it's going to be doing two things during this time. It's going to be archiving your information into a zip file that you can download. And then once it's done that, it will provide you an email and also change the page to give you a download link that you can directly download to your computer, and thus will have downloaded the data that you want from the school's Google Drive. All right. Now it looks like it has finished the Drive archive download, and you can notice that it's switched to download here. You can also come and click on your email, and if you go to your email, you'll notice that an email has been sent with a link that says download archive. So you'll want to go ahead and click download, and it might ask you for a password. to your account just for an added precaution. Now you can see that it's been downloaded, and I can hit the download link one more time, and it will begin the download process. Once the download has finished, you'll be able to click and open the zip drive. Depending on whether you're running Windows or Mac will determine how you open the zip drive. And you'll notice that the takeout folder has been made. And if you click on the takeout folder, it will open up the drive folder that you've downloaded. Double click on that and you'll see your downloaded folder and all the folders or files that you've placed into this folder. And at this point, your Google Drive export from your school account here at RAS will have been completed.